Hello everyone, my name is Wasayo and here are the world cultural events and celebrations for the week of November 24th to November 30th. Monday, November 25th is the International Day of the Elimination of Violence Against Women. It raises awareness around the world that women are subjected to rape, domestic violence, and other forms of violence. Thursday, November 28th is Thanksgiving Day. It is a day meant to celebrate and bring families together over a big meal to express gratitude and thanks. On Friday, November 29th, is Native American Heritage Day. It honors and celebrates American Indians across the nation, a time to celebrate the traditions, languages, and stories of Native Americans and Alaska Native communities and assure their rich histories and contributions to thrive with each passing generation. And that's it for the World Cultural Events and Celebrations. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel at TheScholarsNYC. I'm Fasayo, and I'll see you next time.